Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your self-defense school business. So let's suppose I am running a self-defense school and I am receiving many queries and messages on my WhatsApp. I am manually replying to all of the queries and this is consuming a lot of my time, so I am completely going to automate this process. And to do this automation, I am going to create a WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. With the help of this WhatsApp chatbot, whenever a user sends me a message, I am automatically going to reply to them according to their queries. Now, if you want to learn the step-by-step process of how you can create this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, then let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your self-defense school business. For this, I have created a WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, and now we are going to test this WhatsApp chatbot once whether it is working fine or not. For that, I'm going to open my WhatsApp and I'm going to send a random message like. So I'm going to send this hello and let's wait for the reply. And it has sent me this, welcome to Defense Ways, empowering with the skills to stay safe. And it has provided me 3 options. If I go with this course offered, it is going to send me the next message. Like these are the course which we offer. Want to learn more or book a class? I'll go with yes. Let's send this message and wait for the reply. So here it is asking me, awesome, you are one step closer to learning self-defense. Please give your name. So I'm going to enter my name as... Now after entering my name, I'm going to send this message, and the next question which it is asking me is the preferred class. Now out of all of these classes, I prefer this competitive martial arts. So I'm going to send this message, and it has sent me this message. Thank you for your interest. We have received your message and our team will get back to you shortly. Here is the information which we have received from you. Name is Shubhuti. Preferred classes competitive martial arts. Stay strong, stay safe. Meanwhile, get some practice tips. Defense ways. Now, if I click on this practice tips, I am going to receive a message. Practice makes power. Here are some quick self-defense tips you can follow at home or in daily life. It has provided me 3 buttons. Mindset tips, physical drill or safety habits. I'll click on each of these buttons and you will see that I'm going to receive the tips based on the buttons which I'm choosing. So this is how this WhatsApp chatbot is going to run. And now to learn how to create this, let's start creating this from the beginning. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your defense school business. For this, I'm going to create a WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. And to visit Pabbly Chatflow, you simply need to write www.pabbly.com/chatflow in your browser. And now after browsing this website, we need to sign into a Pabbly Chatflow account. On the top right corner, you can see 2 options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on this sign in, and if you are a new user, click on the sign up for free. As I'm an existing user, I'll click on the sign in. And here all Pabbly apps page has appeared, which is showing me all the Pabbly applications. I'm going to click on this Pabbly Chatflow Access Now. And it has taken me towards this app dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you want to learn how you can create your own Pabbly Chatflow account, simply click on this Add WhatsApp number. You can connect your WhatsApp number by clicking on this button, or you can create your own Pabbly Chatflow account by using a manual token and clicking on this button. If you want to learn the step-by-step process of how you can create this Pabbly Chatflow account, please visit our YouTube channel. So this is the app dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, and this gives the overview of all the activities, insights and performance metrics. On the left hand side where I can see all these options, let's move towards this inbox, which is the central place to manage and reply to customer conversations. Under inbox, we have this contacts which manage the leads, customer and their details. We have this team queues. So this assign and manage incoming chats among team members. We have this templates which create and manage reusable message templates for campaigns. If you want to create a new template, simply click on this templates list. If you want to explore some templates, click on this explore templates. Now when you click on this broadcast, you will be able to create and send bulk messages to selected contacts or segments. We have this flows. So this build automated chatbot workflows and conversation sequences. We have this AI assistant which use AI tools to auto-generate replies content or suggestion. We have the settings, and over here you can see all the options which we have. This will help you configure account integration and preferences. Let's move towards this get help. Now over here you will be able to access the support FAQs or contact the help desk. Now moving on towards my app dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, and let's quickly start creating this chatbot. And to create this chatbot, we have to go towards this flow. So let's open this flows. And here I have landed towards this flow builder. Over here you can see the total flows, active flows and inactive flows. If you want to create a new flow, we simply need to click on this add flow. So let's open this quickly. Now here I have landed towards this page, and to create this WhatsApp chatbot, on the left hand side you can see two very most important options. So let's quickly go through all of these buttons and options because we will be leading all of these while creating this WhatsApp chatbot. So under the messages option, the first button we have is of text button and the media button, which helps us send messages, images or GIFs. We have this list. If you have long list of options to provide to your customers, you can use this list instead of using the buttons. If you want to send catalog message, you can use this button. If you have single product, you can use this button. If you have multiple product, you can use this button. So this template is a pre-designed message format which includes text, images, buttons and links. Then moving on to the next option, we have this actions. Under action we have this condition which provide or branch the flow. We can ask the address of the customer, we can ask the location, we can ask any question. Then we can ask the media, we can ask them to upload the media, image, video, audio or document. We can set the custom field, we can add the tag and segment the customers. We can use this API request which will help us send or retrieve the data from external APIs, and then we can connect the flow to another flow. So now we are done with understanding all of these buttons. Now let's quickly name this flow to. So here I have named this chatbot to WhatsApp chatbot for your self-defense school. Now I'm going to create this WhatsApp chatbot. To create or activate or trigger this WhatsApp chatbot, we have to enter the keywords or the regex. Now here I'm going to enter some commonly used keywords like hello and hey. Hey, press enter. You can use the keyword from your product and services. You can enter that, and then these particular keywords are going to get trigger or activate this chatbot. Then we have this option of regex. Now this regex is as important as these keywords. Regex is like a smart search tool that helps chatbot identify pattern in user messages. So instead of manually listing out every possible keyword, you can define rule to match different variation of words or phrases. Now here I'm going to enter the regex in a particular pattern, and you have to make sure that we use this particular format only. So with the help of this regex, you will be able to trigger this chatbot. You can use this keyword, you can use this regex. You can only use these keywords, you can only use these regex, or you can use both of these, or you can use either of them. So here we have activated or triggered this WhatsApp chatbot, and now I'm going to create the next messages. How I'm going to create this? Now over here you can see, as I've sent this hello message, I have received this next message. So how we are going to create this message? For that, let me open my chatbot, and I'm going to click on the circle, drag and drop the circle, and then in my choose content type, I'm going to select this as text plus button, and I'm going to enter my message. Now as soon as I enter my message, I'm going to provide the buttons. Over here you can see I have provided the buttons, and when I click on any of the buttons, the next message was sent to me. So how we have done this? I'm going to click on this add button, and then I'm going to provide the option, and then I'm going to provide the message for each of the buttons. So here let me quickly add the options like. So here I have entered all the buttons, and now I'm going to create the message for each of these buttons. For that, I'm going to click on the circle, drag and drop the circle, and then I'm going to select my content type and then create the message. So this is how we are going to create the message for each of these buttons. Now over here you can see that in this message, I have bold this text. So I was able to bold this text by entering star in front of the sentence which I want to bold and in the end of that sentence which I want to bold. So in this particular manner, we will be able to bold the sentence. I'm quickly going to create all the messages and all the buttons which I want to create, and then we are going to move forward and understand the rest of the chatbot. So here I have created all the buttons and all the messages. You can see for this course offered, I have provided them with a message which gives all the course details, and then I'm asking them, would you want to enroll? And when they send the message like yes, and then I'm going to ask them their name, and when they answer me with a name, I'm going to ask them the preferred class. As soon as they give me the class, I'm going to send them this final message, okay, we have received your details, and in the meantime, while we contact you back, whether you want to get the practice tips. So if they click on this practice tips, I'm going to send this practice message where I have 3 buttons again: mindset tips, physical drill, and safety habits. And when they click on any of the buttons, I'm going to send them this message. Now when they click on this main menu, what we are going to do, I'm going to click on the circle, drag and drop the circle, and then I'm going to attach it with the main menu box or the message which we have created. So this is how we are going to attach the circles or the messages. Now we are done with this first button. Moving on to the second button, when they click on this book a free trial, when they click on this, I'm directly going to get all the details, and then I'm going to send the same messages. And when they click on this testimonials, now here I'm going to send them what my students say about me. I have created the message for that, and when they click on whether they want to hear or join a class, if they click on this yes, I'm going to send the same message. And if they click on this main menu over here, you can see that I have created this connection where this same message will be sent. I am also going to send this image. Now how I was able to send this image, whenever I create the message, I have these 2 options, add button and add content. I've clicked on this add content, and then in my content type I've selected this as media, and then in my media type I've selected this as image, and then I have entered the image by clicking on this browse. I've simply selected the image, and then I've clicked on this open, and the image was attached to the message. If you want to select your media type as audio, video, document, you can do that too, but we have to make sure that the file limit do not exceed. Here I'm going to remove this button or the message. And then I have asked the questions also. So let's move towards these questions. Now here I have asked them their name and the class which they prefer, and when they give their name, I'm going to send them the personalized message. Like you can see here, I have received this message. We have received your message. Our team will get back to you shortly. This is the information. How we are able to create this personalized message. For that, I have asked the question, and as soon as they answer the question, their answer gets saved in my contact custom field, and then I've created this message. So what I've done on the left hand side where you can see all these options, we are going to click on this contact custom field. Let's open this. And here we have landed towards this contact custom fields. Let's scroll down, and over here I have created a field for the answer, the full name. Now when I'm going to receive or ask the question, when I'm going to receive the answer, it gets saved in this contact custom field, and I have simply copied over here contact custom field, copied to clipboard, and then what I've done, I have entered that or pasted that over here. Like this is the message, and you will see that as soon as I paste the message, this will appear in front of me, $full name. So this is what we have copied from this contact custom field, and with the help of this $full name, I'm able to fetch the detail or the answer which was answered to me for my question, and then it is going to send the personalized message. Now I hope it is clear to you. Whenever you are going to ask the question, make sure that you create the contact custom field so that the answer gets saved and you can use this later. So here we are done with creating all the buttons, messages. We have learned how we can create the questions, we have learned how we can create the contact custom field, and we can create personalized messages, how we can bold the text, how we can upload the media. So this is how this WhatsApp chatbot is going to run, and this is the same exact WhatsApp chatbot which we have created. If you have any doubts or queries, you can comment down below this video, and you can stay tuned to our channel for learning more such interesting WhatsApp chatbot automation. I hope you liked this video and understood this video very well. Thanks for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple such chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you have any questions, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit the website given over here. Also, you can try Pabbly Chatflow for 100% free and create your own WhatsApp chatbot.